Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I'm going to show you the best way to store your bits, and it's in one of these little ammo boxes. Check it out, these things fit perfectly in here. All your little typical bits that you would put into a little magnetic holder. Locks down. Semi-translucent there, you can kind of see what's in there, but they don't fall out. It's a good enough latch that you don't got to worry about it popping open. And best part, bam, made in the US. So I picked these up on Amazon. They're really not too expensive. You're holding 100 bits in each one. You can see it's a really nice tight fit. Also, if you can pick it up on camera, there's a little foot there. The listing says it makes them stackable. They still kind of move around a little bit, but it does keep them from completely sliding off of each other. I thought that was an amazing little idea. Great way to organize them, keep them all together. Also, I know some people like the longer style bits, and this doesn't work as well. But if you have 3-inch bits, it's also hard to do one-handed while you're holding the camera. If you have 3-inch bits, this is the only one I had on one of those double-ended for like a 7-in-1 or 6-in-1 or whatever screwdriver thing. But if they're 3 inches long, you can put them in there. And you see it stays in place. Anything shorter, if it's 2.5 inches, it's too big of a gap and they'll spill out. But if you're someone who likes the longer bits, that'll also work for 3-inchers. So I just thought that was an amazing idea that you guys could take advantage of. I'll put all the links down below to both the little one or the big one. And hopefully something that can help you guys out. So thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe for another subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time.